I put lime inside the mask and never had this problem again. To start this tip, we will need a lime. With the help of a knife, I will cut him into several small pieces. Tell me if you know any homemade tips with lime. For cleaning, I would love to know. I do it myself often in my house because it really works. For the next step of this tip, I will use a disposable mask. Best of all, with only 2 ingredients present in our day-to-day, we can make an impressive product to eliminate the bad smell and keep the bathroom fragrant. Here I transferred the lime into a container. Now I'm going to use scissors. Let's remove one of the side handles of the mask. That's what she needs to look like. Next, I will remove the elastic from the side. We will need it to do this tip. It's very easy to do. Now I'll put the lime that we cut inside the mask. After I started using this trick, I never again had a problem with unpleasant smells in my bathroom. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Toby Alex from Texas. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. You will never need to spend money on those expensive products sold in supermarkets. This little trick with just 2 ingredients is enough to transform the way you clean your bathroom. Using the elastic we take off, I will tie the side we cut the mask to ensure that none of the lime pieces will fall out. Even your family will ask you, what is the secret to keeping the house so fragrant? Even the most difficult stains to remove will come out, only with a light brushing. Not even I believed how efficient this product is the first time I made it. I never cleaned my toilet the same way after I learned how to do it. To perform its application, simply open the lid of the toilet. Let's put our tip supported over the discharge button. To do this, I'm using the side of the mask that remained with the elastic band. This tip is very easy to do. You will be surprised. After doing this, just close the lid of the toilet and trigger the flush to see the magic happen. This trick will eliminate all germs and bacteria from your toilet. This is the secret that the big brands, owners of cleaning products, do not want you to discover. All dirt and bad smell goes away at the same time. I hope you enjoyed this tip. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.